Hey, it's all about saving you money on my channel, doing things on your own. Whenever you do something on your own, of course you're saving money that way too. All right, I've got quite a few more spots on this carpet, and I'll do more, but this video is not about how to clean carpet spots. It's just about showing you all kinds of different little things in this condo that I'm fixing, all kinds of things that maybe you've got certain things around your house that fall right into this category of the different things I'm doing. And if not, you can look on my channel. I've got over 2,400 videos right now, 2440 some odd, I think. Yeah, a couple years from now, I'll probably have 44 something. Okay, so there you go. I'm all out of breath now, but you know, I'm making a list. When I get something done, then I'll circle it as being done. I've got all this stuff up here. 2 blades, main. That's supposed to be main room, silly weenie. Main room, not main. Good grief, Charlie Brown. Okay, 2 blades main room, 1 blade spare room, 2 blades master, 1 blade main. What the heck? That's just my little cheat sheet for these ceiling fans. Now see this ceiling fan here? Doesn't it look nice? This is a really super expensive ceiling fan. It looks nice. It's called a Fanimation, and this happens to be the Islander ceiling fan. This puppy's like, I think it's over $700. Okay. And see all this little rope trim, and it just loop-de-loops all around here. We'll take a look at this. See there? There's a string that's loose, and right here, see how it's just kind of falling out of there. Now, how am I going to fix that? Well, hey, I'll fix it. That's one of my next things I still have to do. See, I look at that one, and then look at this. Here's some more loose bit right there. And I look over here, and there's some more. See right there? I'm just gonna, what I have to do is I'm gonna have to undo this support, those 2 screws. I'm gonna pull this down, okay? And I'm gonna lay it on the ground. I'm gonna take some crazy glue, and I'm gonna put right there. Granted, this is gonna be flat down on the ground, and I can hold my screwdriver up like that, hold it, and then I count to maybe 100 or so. And then I'm going to have to bend that down. I'll put a little bit more glue there and use a small little tip screwdriver, push and hold it exactly where it goes. And then when I'm done, I'll look at it and I'll see, here's the other part of it right there that's loose. See there? Okay. So I've got crazy glue. I've got to do crazy glue at least 3 times. And then after it dries, I'll probably take some just a felt tip pen if I have to, and fix some more. Okay, see how this is kind of white. See right in there, right there, how it's whiter. Once I get done with that, I don't know what I'm going to have to do with that just yet. But see, I could blend it in a little bit more, put a little bit of felt tip black pen on there, because see, there's a lot of black on here, and nobody's going to even notice. Okay, so. Yeah, that's going to take a while in itself. I'll be here for at least an hour or more. See this one here? There's a little bit coming off right there. And if you cut these, then you don't see the line. And if you cut it, it's still going to get loose, and then it's going to get frayed more. Now see this one here? I could touch that up. See how this is white, all discolored? I could take a felt tip pen and boop, 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 boop. Here's some more right there, because see, most of this is dark black, isn't it? See that? Look at that string right there. Awful. See there? It's all pulled out. See, and that's why the paint has come off it, the sealer, shellac or whatever, because this gets moved around, and so all the black has come off. So now I'm going to have to restrand it right through the holes and keep doing it. This is going to take 6 applications of crazy glue, and this has the light, so I have to get up there, reach my hand down in there with a small screwdriver, and think like a munchkin, and get in there and try to loosen that up. If you can't get it, now you got to pull this down and make sure you don't break that glass and all that. So I've got my work cut out for me there. See this one over here? Here's the same thing. Look at, there's one right there that's loose. You can see it, can't you? Yeah, see? So I'm gonna have to make note of all that. Man, I might, you know, once I get those fan blades down, I might have to start adding more to my list. Last but not least, what else am I gonna do over here? Well, this back door here, this is a lanai door that goes out onto a balcony, and in Hawaii it's called a lanai. This little area is called a lanai. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that bird right there. Isn't that cool? There he is. Awesome little bugger. Yeah. I'm liking him. Hey,